I have always loved the Corvette emblem on the front of these cars. It's timeless, classic, really cool design overall. I'm going to do something a little bit different, and a little bit different than what I've seen actually in the past. And let me tell you why I'm going to do it, and then we'll just get into it. So first of all, like I said, I really like the emblem. However, it seems to be that there's some moisture over time has snuck its way in behind it or inside it. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure how these, maybe it's just adhered, but I want to cover that up. I know a lot of people will maybe plasti dip them or just cover them in black vinyl. I'm actually just going to tint it, but I'm not going to tint the whole thing. I'm going to try to use the line here and keep this sort of chrome accent around the outside. I think it's going to look pretty sick. Now, this is just sort of experimental. I have just this old gross piece of vinyl taillight tint left over from a project in the past. I'm going to see if I can salvage a big enough piece of it and see if we can get it on here and see how it looks. First, just going to try to clean a portion of it off with some detailer. See if any of it's even salvageable. Okay. See, shouldn't need all that much. Get it in like the straightest spot. About right there. Little mineral spirits. Just gonna make sure the emblem is clean and free of waxes and grease and whatnot. We want to make sure it adheres, of course. Just make sure it's dry. I'm gonna try to trim this out. Yo. Gotta say, I think it looks super good actually. I love that you can still actually see the design in the emblem, and it's just a little bit smoked. I'm sure that other people have done this, but I think it actually looks really good, and I like the chrome exposed, kind of keeps that original feel to the car, doesn't take too much away from it. I really don't like when people just completely black out these emblems. It just kind of looks like a you know, a black V or something on the car. It sort of loses the integrity of the emblem itself. So I'm glad this allows us to retain it a little bit. I think it's a good idea. However, I think I want to get some fresh vinyl and a sharper blade. I was sort of in a rush here, and it kind of I messed it up a little bit right here and along this bottom edge, but God, I gotta detail this thing up. That's coming soon. I'll do a full paint correction on this thing pretty soon, and it is going to look much, much better. But right now, God, look at that, water spots, rough. But anyway, I think this emblem looks really good. I'm gonna go through and just kind of poke some of these little air bubbles here, and we'll heat it up and get those out. But man, it looks really sharp. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Stick around, more stuff coming for the old vet. Appreciate you guys watching. See you next time.